All right, we're gonna start with 1 cup of cottage cheese. I just love this stuff.
Whoa.
We're gonna make something real good. Mom was cooking today. We've got 1/2 cup of sour cream.
All right.
Okay.
All the white stuff. Got it.
Yeah. And then we have got 1 can of cream of chicken.
Oh,
Okay?
I love that stuff.
I know you do.
Man,
Ooh, looks good.
so good. All
Okay.
the gloppy goodness.
Gloppy. We are gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I kind of just freehand because I like a lot of garlic, and if I go a little over, I'm pretty excited about it.
All right, that looks good.
And then same thing, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, that's pretty good, right?
Yeah, that's definitely
Very oniony. Okay.
that's good.
Now we are gonna mix this up. Okay.
All right.
You want to mix it very well because we're working with very thick ingredients. And so you really want it to blend, you know, you can't let things get, you know, left behind.
Yeah, it's looking pretty blended.
Right? Does it look pretty good? Okay, so once this is blended, I've already cooked this chicken, okay? This is about 2 cups of chicken. You could use more if you wanted to, but this is what we had to work with. I think you could use up to 4. But same thing, you are gonna mix this chicken, and it's cooked and we've already shredded it, just so you're aware of that. We use chicken breast, shredded, cooked, all that yummy goodness, okay?
Smells amazing.
Doesn't it smell amazing? So, we've got our 9x9. And a
9x13.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Thank you, honey.
9 would be a square.
I don't know what I do without
okay,
you
though.
sometimes.
I was the one that took geometry.
I lose my mind. So we've got a 9x13, grease the pan, and we're going to pour this mixture.
Get all that goodness out of there.
Yeah, we got to get all of it.
They'll get mad if you don't.
They will get mad.
All my friends on Facebook will get
They
mad.
definitely get mad when I don't do things correctly. But we're going to spread this out. We have another step, so don't get ahead of yourselves. Don't just think that this is going to go in the oven, okay? Because it's not. You know, we've got more steps to do.
Okay.
But we're going to put a layer of this. Just want to spread it out the best that you can, okay? You guys know where I'm going with this, don't you? Well,
Definitely.
you might. You probably do. Okay, so we got this. Then we've got our Ritz crackers. And we've got 1 full sleeve, okay?
All right.
1 full sleeve of Ritz crackers. Put this to the side for a second. We are going to put all these Ritz crackers in a plastic bag.
Okay.
I recommend, like, you know, putting them in the bag first and then opening them.
Oh, that's smart.
Because, yeah, right. You don't want them to spill everywhere. So this is what I would do.
Okay.
Then I would close this.
Smart.
I would get a cutting board.
Okay.
And I like to do this when I'm really mad at Derek.
Yeah.
I don't really like to use a meat tenderizer. I like to use my bare fists.
Wow. That's a whole.
Yeah, it's very satisfying. You can use a meat tenderizer, but I really prefer fist. It lets a lot of anger out, and it's just really fun. So once these are crushed, okay, it's just dump these Ritz crackers all over the top of this chicken mixture, okay?
Yum.
I know, and you want to try to get it, you know, as even as you can because you want it to be fair for the entire dish.
Oh, you did a great job.
Is that pretty
That's
even?
already even.
I feel like it looks pretty good.
I'm always terrible at that.
And then 4 tablespoons of melted butter.
Okay. Just
Go
straight
over
on.
here.
Ooh. Man, I love butter. That looks so good.
Yep, we're just gonna drizzle this, right? Does this look so good?
Yes.
Now, we are gonna bake this in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes.
All right.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh, that
Does that
looks
look
so
good?
good.
I know it's a casserole, but I kind of think it'd be really good, kind of like a dip. So I'm gonna
Okay.
actually dip with the cracker so you can
Looks
see
so
it.
good.
Does it look so good?
Yeah, try it.
It's kind of hot.
Blow on it. There you go. You gonna try it?
It's a little hot. It's a little hot.
You gotta do it for the fans. They're waiting for you to try it. There you go. Is that good?
It's so good. I just burned myself.
Oh,
Don't eat it right away, but it's very good.
yum.